Hi, and welcome to Jules Cooking Global, and today we're gonna make citrus lollipops.
Start by pouring 250 grams of whipped cream in a pan. Then add the zest of 2 lemons and 2 limes. Now bring this to a boil. Meanwhile, chop 600 grams of white chocolate fine. Add this to the boiling cream and mix it. Then pipe the chocolate mixture into the lollipop mold. Now scoop off the excess chocolate and put the lolly sticks in the mold. After that, let it set in the freezer. Meanwhile, melt 800 grams of white chocolate on a double boiler. Now fill 3 cups with a little bit of the chocolate. Then color it with coloring powder. After that, wipe the colored chocolate on the remaining white chocolate. Now take the lollies out of the mold and dip them in the chocolate mixture. Then pull them out while spinning the stick. After that, let them set upside down. Now scrape off the colored chocolate and repeat the process. The colored chocolate you can still use for other preparations. And now the lollies are ready to be served.
I hope you guys like my video, so like and share it and subscribe if you want to see more. Bon appetit!